Well, there is a new feature in ElevenLabs that lets you create music and also separate the vocal from the instrument. So let me give you one example. This is the original song.
Breathe in hope, let go of yesterday. Coffee warms my hands, a golden glow.
And this is the vocal only without instrumental.
Today, coffee warms my hands, a golden glow.
And lastly, this is only the instrumental, which means there is no human voice in this particular audio. Yeah, something like that. So I'm going to show you how you can utilize ElevenLabs music to generate music and also to separate the vocal to instrumental, and you'll get two distinct files. One is for the vocal and the other one is for the instrumental. And let me show you how you can use it. Let's navigate to ElevenLabs.io and you can log in with your own account. Now let's go to music right here, and for this example I will try to generate a piece of music about, let's say, winter holiday. So it's happy winter holiday. For the variations, it's just one, and the duration is 1 minute, and the lyric is just automatic. Click generate and just wait for this AI tool to generate the music, which later we are going to try to separate the vocal from the instrumental. Now that particular feature is, at least at the moment, only accessible via the music tool in ElevenLabs. You cannot use the tool to separate the audio and the instrumental in Studio or some other tools within the platform. It is, at least at the moment, only accessible via the music tool. But I think in the future we can see that in other tools in this platform. Now, after the music has been generated and you want to get the distinct audio, so distinct vocal and instrumental files, then you can click this download button. Now click generate for vocals and instrumental. So basically you have to spend extra credits to actually separate the vocals from the instrumental. Unfortunately, that's just the way it works, and it's kind of annoying because we basically have to spend almost double the amount of credits that we use just to get these two files. But I think it's not a big of a deal, and hopefully the price will get down in the future. Now the file has been generated, and before I download the file, I'm going to just give you the preview of what this song actually sounds like.
Snowflakes dancing in the air, cozy fires everywhere.
Okay, now I'm going to download the file. So basically you will get an archive file or a zip file that later you can extract using 7-zip or WinRAR, or perhaps you can also use the built-in feature in your computer. That feature should be available in major operating systems like Windows, macOS, and Linux. Now after that, I'm going to open the file, and let me just extract the file to a folder on my computer. And basically this is what the vocal only sound like.
Snowflakes dancing in the air, cozy fires everywhere.
Okay, and this is the instrumental. So yeah, I would say it has done quite a great job at cleanly separating the vocals and instrumental from that particular song. So that's how you can use it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.